keep a track of it. And all the students, especially the students who are going to graduate now, the pass out students, the ones who are expecting their degrees now, you all will be joining industry very, very soon. So as we talk about internships, particularly when it's spoken about our civil engineering field. So it's very difficult to imagine online or virtual internships. Just because when we talk about internships, we say कि हाँ ठीक है साइट पर जाना है एग्जीक्यूशन का काम देखना है या तो बैक ऑफिस में भी हमको प्लानिंग देखना है स्ट्रक्चर ड्राइंग्स को रीड करना है बजटिंग के काम करना है या फिर किसी पीएमसी को ज्वाइन कर लेना है सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग बेसिकली. But then when we are talking about online internships, it's possible in various kind of fields like IT में possible है, computer में possible है, अलग-अलग websites को हम design कर सकते हैं, कोई problems को analyze कर सकते हैं, कोई अलग systems में research methodologies हम draft कर सकते हैं. But when it comes to civil engineering, it becomes very, very difficult to identify that can we really study online, or are there certain professional courses which when studied by civil engineers is going to benefit them in any way. So this is where the initiative is taken by many of the colleges, and I would like to bring it to your notice that AB Institute of Technology is one of the leading institute to raise such kind of initiatives. So here we are presenting basically 5 domains. Your students might have gone through that descriptions of those particular 5 domains, and those domains basically are required for overall development of a particular individual. As you can see the illustration or the example of our real life, अभी आपको सभी को सबमिशन करने के लिए कहा गया, रीटेस्ट देने के लिए कहा गया. बीई के स्टूडेंट्स की एग्जाम पहले कैंसिल कर दी गई थी, फिर अभी वापस रखने वाले हैं. तो इसकी वजह से क्या हो जाता है, स्टूडेंट्स आर इन अ पैनिक सिचुएशन. कह दिया कि 2 दिन में आपको सारे सबमिशंस करने हैं, अगले हफ्ते आपका रीटेस्ट हो जाएगा, अगले महीने आपका एग्जाम भी होने वाला है. सो यू पीपल आर नॉट रेडी फॉर द चैलेंजेस. This is just a small glimpse of life. When you are graduating, when you are getting out of your college life, these kind of situations, these kind of challenges will be there for you people at every instant. So you can not give the excuse कि ये नहीं हो पाएगा, हमसे वो नहीं हो पाएगा. There are so many students who called us up and they asked, सर इसमें कैसे करना है, एग्जाम्स के लिए क्या प्रिपरेशन करना है, एमसीक्यूज है उसका एग्जाम. ये तो मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. The panic or the less confidence in students is just because of lesser development. And this is where I come back to my point. If the development of students is done in all phases, we have selected 5 of them as, and we are calling them as domains. If the development is done in all these domains, it will be very, very beneficial for our students to get good jobs in good companies. That's why we have started with this particular internship program. There are many students from various domains, but I would like to talk about technology domain. The first course that we are offering from our technological domain is Fundamental of Materials. Here you are going to study about various kind of construction or specifically your structural materials along with their mechanics. Okay. So in this particular program, whichever program you are taking from any of the domain, there are certain protocols and policies that our institute has designed. Here we are having various hierarchy. You can see there are certain mentors. जब आपको mentors के बारे में कहा जाता है तो students जो कि interns है, आप student जिन्होंने enroll किया है हमारे course के लिए are called as interns. Okay? तो interns मैंने देखे काफी सारे confuse हो गए थे जब उनको कहा गया था कि coordinate or communicate with your mentors. So they are communicating with their faculty mentors. No. In this particular AppSet Skill internship programs, we are having mentors who are our student coordinators themselves. I remember name of few student coordinators. हमारे पास final year में से कुछ students हैं, वेदांत कुलकर्णी, सिद्धेश माली, निधि अंशन. Second year में से हमारे पास साइराज करमालकर है और पिनाक, तुषार वाले, and then Rahul Barade. There are many students who are available, and those students who are student coordinators, here they are going to play role of mentors. Means now you mentees, that is the interns again, will be coordinating with your mentors who are our student coordinators themselves. Those student coordinators will be communicating with the issues. They will be, of course, they will be resolving all your issues, the issues of the interns on their level. But in case if they are getting stuck anywhere, they'll be communicating with us. There is faculty coordinators. We are having Professor Vishal Misal and myself as the faculty coordinators. Then we talk about basically your faculty who are going to conduct these particular courses. Okay, so these faculties depending upon various domains you are interested in. पहला domain जो हम लोग ने select किया है वो technology, उसके अंदर भी specifically हम लोग ने structures ये discipline को select किया हुआ है to give the internship program. तो इसके अंदर कुछ स्ट्रक्चर के फैकल्टीज हैं जिसको मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूंगा आपके सामने, एंड दे विल जस्ट गिव यू अ जनरल ओवरव्यू अबाउट द कोर्स, एंड लेटर ऑन विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट how these particular courses will be conducted, what interns are expected to do, what mentors are expected to do, and what are the role of various faculty and faculty coordinators in this particular program. So one of the faculty who is going to conduct our first course, which is starting from tomorrow, that is fundamentals of materials, is our Professor Kushal Thul. Sir, I hope you are there online, Professor Kushal Thul.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Sir, we would like to hear from you about this course that we are offering to students. And it's a good news for students of second year, third year, as well as final year, that all of the students will be able to participate in this particular course and get a hang of it. So, sir, can you please tell us that what exactly are we going to study generally in this particular course?
Sure, sir. Is it possible to share a screen, sir?
Just let me check.
Just PDF I have to show.
Go to the menu.
Present the
that is at the
screen.
top. Three dots are there.
Okay.
When you click on your screen, and there you will be finding this particular option of present screen. All right. So when
Okay,
you
right.
that, you'll be able to, yeah.
Is it visible, sir? Hello?
Yes, it is. Sir, you can start.
Yes, sir. it is.
Okay. Okay, this one is the basic program. Here there are various modules in that program. All are hearing me? Hello?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir, you are
Audible. Thank you. Okay, there are some typically 4 modules of that program. First one is the material science. Second one is the mechanics of material. Third one is the mechanics of material 2. And fourth one is the beam bending, like that. So in this, I will take 2 to 3 topic. Suppose I will start from mechanics of material 1. That one is the fundamental of stress, strain, and axial loading. Here, there is a basic stress strain fundamental, that is what is stress, what is strain, what is stress strain diagram, material properties, that is ductile material, brittle material, also shear stress acting on a material. All these things have to covered in that topic. Then second topic is welded pressure vessel and torsion. So we always seen a chimney, आपण त्याला मराठीत धुरांडा म्हणतो, की where it is a tall structure where length is a dominant part and thickness is very less. When length by depth ratio is greater than 60, we will consider as a thin pressure something. So in this module, we will learn what is the thin vessel pressure, how the force acting on that, pressure acting on that vessel will be calculated. In the next module, that is the beam bending, we have to study shear stress and bending moment diagram, shear force and bending moment diagram. First, everyone know what is the shear force, axial force, and because of shear force, a moment will occur. Here in this module, we will learn each and everything for point load, then UDL, UVL, and all. Similarly, elastic beam bending. In elastic beam bending, it generally depends on Hooke's law. Hooke's law states that stress is directly when stress is proportional to strain, we call as the Hooke's law is valid. In this module, we will learn the elastic beam bending. Similarly, when Hooke's law is not valid, that is the stress is not proportional to strain, this one is the inelastic. Here we will discuss what is the inelastic beam bending. Similarly, shear stress. When force is acting at a 45-degree angle, it will generally called as the shear stress. Here in this module, we will also discuss what is the shear stress for uniform and non-uniform loading. Similarly, after studying all this thing, we will going to design of beam. But generally, this design of beam is for final year part. But we will just go. Just I will do or I will tell what is design of beam. So there are actually four model. I will explain only three. First one is the somewhat I have not studied that one, but maybe by tomorrow if I start that thing, I will tell what is the exact thing in that, and we will start each and every one. Thank you.
Perfect, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So basically, sir has given very deep insights about this particular thing. So now there are a number of things, like Kushal sir said, you are going to study about chimney and various kind of structures which you are going to come across, starting from real estate up to infrastructure or heavy civil projects also. Even the students who are graduating now, उनको लगता है कि काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने तो अपने फेयरवेल स्पीच भी ड्राफ्ट कर लिए हुए, but then there are many things that you are yet to learn. So taking advantage of this particular lockdown, because you people usually know that still your college is going to take a long to restart. Okay, so making a use of this particular time under Asset Skills internship, you will be taken these particular disciplines, and many tasks as well as many projects will be given for you students to study and complete. Once you are completing these tasks, which are explained to you by various faculties, how you are going to do it, exact procedures will be given to you, what are ideal solutions, how can you present your answer, all these things will be discussed with you by your concerned faculty. Along with that, all the interns are supposed to take advantage of this, solve your assignments. You cannot call it as assignments because assignments in a way are too different. These will be your mini tasks or mini project ideas which you will be taking up. You'll be completing them all and you'll be reporting to your mentors. Again, mentors will keep a log of your daily attendance, of your performance, of your presentation, of your daily project report. They'll be going through your various kind of tasks. They'll be going through your various kind of tasks and they'll be assessing all of it. And finally, they'll be reporting it to us. And once you're completing this particular module under technology domain, you will be provided with a certificate, which is going to benefit you in getting jobs in various kind of fields. Now, along with this, you can also enroll yourself. अभी हमने तो सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी डोमेन की बात की है यहाँ पे, सिर्फ उसका डिस्कशन किया है कि एक पर्टिकुलर मॉड्यूल होने कैसे वाला है and how it is going to be executed. Similar kind will happen for other domains as well. ये सारे डोमेन्स के अंदर आप जितने भी कोर्सेज कर रहे हो, ये आपके ओवरऑल ग्रोथ के लिए ज्यादा बेनिफिशियल है. दूसरे जो हमारे डोमेन्स है उसके बारे में आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो विचारे सर से और दीपाली मैडम हु इज फ्रॉम टीपीओ. दे विल बी गिविंग यू बेटर इनसाइट्स अबाउट द कोर्सेज व्हिच आर गोइंग टू बी टेकन. अभी इसके साथ साथ ये तो एक हमारा स्ट्रक्चर्स का प्रोग्राम हो चुका है. इसके साथ आपको कुछ और भी ऑप्शंस दिए जाएंगे उन फील्ड्स के लिए जिसमें आप इंटरेस्टेड हो. Okay, so there are various disciplines: geotechnical, environment, construction management, project management, surveying. वैसे बहुत सारे programs अभी हम civil department से भी launch करने वाले हैं on institute level. Okay, so you people are expected to entire benefit of these programs, and wherever you get stuck, you can directly coordinate with your mentors and they'll get in touch with us. इसके साथ आपके लिए हमने like if you have gone through the guidelines of AICTE for internships and the guidelines that we have drafted at our college level, आप ये भी देख पाओगे कि उसके अंदर मेंशन किया है कि हमने एक्सपर्ट टॉक्स अरेंज करना है, कुछ वेबिनार्स अरेंज करना है. So again, those things will be included in these particular modules. All right. So I would just like to ask Professor Vishal Patel if he wishes to add something.
Yes, sir. Yes, the idea behind this to take the fundamental of mechanics because it will be beneficial for all the second year, third year, and final year. It is a small topic only, but it will be beneficial to you. See, ये अभी सिर्फ शुरुआत है, इसके आगे बहुत होने वाला है. हर एक डोमेन से हम बहुत सारे कोर्सेज डेवलप कर रहे हैं एंड इस पे काम तो शुरू हो गया है. सो जैसे काम खत्म होता है, वी विल लेट यू नो. Take a benefit of this. It will be helpful for your future. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Let us see if we are having Professor Raksha Khandare over here. Madam, are you present? Vichar sir, do we have Raksha madam over here? Vichar sir,
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
do we have
Raksha
Raksha madam over here?
No, we don't have.
No, ma'am is not there.
All right, no issues. We are having Professor Tanuja Vinchurkar over here. Madam, I would just like to ask you if you would wish to add something to the insights of course. Okay, I guess Madam is not available. Fine. So, if at all there are any issues to the interns on their end, they can contact Vichare sir as well as Deepali madam or their student coordinators. All right. So with this note, we'll be ending and hope to see maximum number of students taking benefit of this particular thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. And stay connected with faculties and mentors.
Yeah.
Thank you
Also,
so
you are supposed to
Sure.
follow our Instagram page
Yes.
as well as
Absolutely.
Facebook page. Yeah.
Yeah.
For
And
absent
LinkedIn
kids.
also. LinkedIn
Yeah,
also.
there
And
will be-
so they can post on LinkedIn that they have started internship with Abstract Skills.
Perfect. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.